Hello and welcome to Curioverse, the channel where we explore the most curious and eccentric aspects of our universe. Today we are going to dive into the mysterious world of dreams, one of the most fascinating phenomena of our minds. What are dreams and why do we have them? What happens in our brains while we sleep and dream? And what do our dreams mean and how can they affect us? These are some of the questions we are going to answer in this video about the science behind dreams. Dreams are defined as our thoughts during sleep that we recall when we wake up. Dreams are mostly visual, meaning that they consist of images, scenes and faces, but they can also involve other senses, such as sound, taste and smell. Dreams can be realistic or bizarre, pleasant or frightening, meaningful or random. Dreams occur mainly during a stage of sleep called REM sleep, which stands for rapid eye movement. REM sleep is characterized by fast and irregular brain waves, increased heart rate and blood pressure, and rapid movements of the eyes under the eyelids. REM sleep is also associated with high levels of brain activity, similar to when we are awake. We usually have several episodes of REM sleep every night, each lasting from a few minutes to an hour, and each accompanied by a different dream. But what is the purpose of dreaming? And what triggers our dreams? Scientists have been trying to answer these questions for a long time, but there is no definitive answer yet. However, there are several theories and hypotheses that try to explain the functions and mechanisms of dreaming. One of them is the activation synthesis hypothesis, which states that dreams are simply the result of random electrical impulses that activate different parts of our brains during REM sleep. These impulses generate images and sensations that our brains try to make sense of by creating a story or a narrative. According to this hypothesis, dreams have no inherent meaning or purpose. They are just a byproduct of our brain activity. Another hypothesis is the threat simulation theory, which states that dreams are a way of preparing ourselves for potential dangers or challenges in our waking lives. According to this hypothesis, dreams simulate threatening scenarios that activate our emotional and physiological responses, enhancing our survival skills and coping strategies. This hypothesis suggests that dreams have an evolutionary advantage. They help us to adapt and survive in a changing environment. A third hypothesis is the memory consolidation theory, which states that dreams are a way of processing and storing information that we have learned or experienced during the day. According to this hypothesis, dreams replay and reorganize our memories, strengthening some connections and weakening others, in order to optimize our learning and memory performance. This hypothesis implies that dreams have a cognitive function. They help us to remember and learn better. A fourth hypothesis is the mood regulation theory, which states that dreams are a way of regulating our emotions and moods. According to this hypothesis, dreams reflect and influence our emotional state, helping us to cope with stress, anxiety, sadness, or anger. This hypothesis proposes that dreams have an effective function. They help us to feel better. These are some of the main hypotheses about the science behind dreams, but there are many more. Each hypothesis has its strengths and weaknesses, its supporters and critics, its evidence and challenges. The truth is that dreaming is still a mystery that fascinates scientists and laypeople alike. Dreams are a window into our minds, revealing aspects of ourselves that we may not be aware of or that we may not want to admit. We hope you enjoyed this video about the science behind dreams. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more curious and eccentric videos. Also, let us know in the comments what are your most memorable or weird dreams. Thank you for watching and see you next time on Curioverse.